What is going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. Another day. Beautiful trade today. Only one trade I took with the team, since I was actually doing again some personal things, and I was only taking one single trade today. Even though the S&P 500 and US 30 also repeated exactly what Nasdaq did, it was pretty much a red day for the stocks. The market ended up crashing. Beautiful setup based on the TP strategy, as you can see right here. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to show you right quick here on the VIP group what I was doing. I was actually sending the analysis first. Nasdaq 15 minutes, US 30 15 minutes, S&P 500 15 minutes. You see that all of them were actually forming a nice bearish flag. There was a nice supply zone around this area also, that I was thinking the price could potentially reach and maybe touch the 15,000 psychological level on Nasdaq. It didn't do it. Actually, it did break below. It break before. But look at that, US 30 also showing exactly the same thing, and S&P 500. So after I sent that, after I sent that, this was actually gold as well, which in fact also ended up crashing. Today we had the NFP day, so it was a nice drop today on the market. Stocks were definitely falling today. Then I had to actually get out of my computer. This is when I was actually out. So I was actually paying to watch. I tell my students like normally I would pay to watch. So I sent a picture from my phone when I was making the entry somewhere around this area. This is with the I believe it was the NFP. It's actually open at that time. It was around 8:30 a.m. in the morning. So that's when the NFP opened. And right here I was sending, you know, where my entry was. Then once it closed like that, that's when I got even stronger. So I put my stop loss above, and TP basically won. They wanted to risk to reward. So I did get in. Look at that. Immediately the price started dropping. I was not in my house, as I was saying. I was not in my house. This is basically the setup, you know, almost immediately, like zero drawdown in this one. It was a killer trade today. Beautiful trade. Then once I got home, this is basically the profits that I sent to my team, and that's it. You know, the team was killing it today. So here you can see I'm gonna go on a 15-minute time frame, and I'm gonna explain you what we caught. Look at it. Beautiful setup. This is the prediction I was kind of having at this point. The price would, you know, even pushed up a little bit and maybe getting closer to the 15,000. It didn't do it. So, but that's fine. I know that whenever I'm seeing a channel like that, I'm just gonna get ready for the breakout, and I'm just looking for those breakouts. So it did happen. Nice breakout to the downside, aiming a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Basically a little over 1 to 2, 1 to 0.64. That's fine. It's a 1 to 2 risk to reward there. Beautiful setup. And look at also on US 30, doing exactly the same thing as I mentioned. I didn't get in on this one, but I did send the setup. So I would normally, you know, follow or make entries also on US 30 and S&P 500. If they are replicating exactly the same thing, I would do it. Sometimes I will just go with one of them, and that's it. But beautiful day. All markets pulling back after the push, as I've been mentioning. You know, if you've been following me for a long time on YouTube, you know that I'm actually posting videos every single day. And I did explain back that the market will start pulling back. This is a massive push, okay? The market is not always going to continue just pushing up and up and up, guys. A pullback is healthy. The pullbacks have to happen. When are going to happen? We don't know. That's the only thing. We don't know when a pullback is going to happen. We just follow. Okay? So right now it's looking like the market is actually pulling back. So what could happen after this big push? It's normal to see a pullback. It's healthy, as I'm saying. So the pullback could be reaching previous zones, either the 4400 on the S&P 500, right? On the 45 or the 4500 level also. We could have some type of reaction in this area and maybe start pushing back up again. It's possible. But normally the market will try to reach the golden zone, okay, which is the 38.20 and the 61.8. Okay, so you can draw that box in there, and you know, be careful if you're looking to buy or swing trade buys in here at this point, because the price is very expensive right here at the top. And now you're seeing the signs that are telling you, okay, I'm going to pull back now. What are the signs? You see the signs right here. The price is breaking a trend line to the upside, very strong momentum, pulling, and you see the price actually did break, you know, pull back, a continuation to the downside. Okay, now let's see what's going to happen around this area. Let me start cleaning some of these things now. Okay, so it's changing from, you know, from going from an uptrend to a downtrend now. Okay, so let's see how far this downtrend will go. Okay, we have to be ready, checking pretty much structure right now where we are located. Look at right here, this nice pullback, retest, and most likely continuation. So push, pull back, push, pull back. Okay, you're seeing simple price action. Push, pull back, push, pull back to the same area right here, and then continuation to the downside. Okay, simple price action right here at this point. Okay, so right here, it's a good point of entry right here. But today is Friday, the day is ending right now, so of course I'm not going to be looking for entries right now. I'm just watching, so be careful with that. But simple price action right there. S&P 500, US 30 for those who like to trade only US 30. Also look at what's happening. Pullback. I'm going to go on a daily time frame right here. Daily time frame. Look at the massive push, massive push. So if you measure from here, from this low to this high, look at that pin bar right there. You see that when the market gives you a candle pattern like this, a pin bar, that's telling you that's the end of the trend. Most likely is the end of the trend. So there you go. On a daily time frame, you have a huge pin bar right here, and look at the size of that bearish candle. So that's telling you that the market will most likely continue going down. Okay, again, where's the area? All this area. The market could show reaction all over this box, this golden zone. Okay, so I'm going to be watching around this area and looking for potential buys. Now, if you're interested into swing trading, this is a good position to, you know, enter right there and go into a big buy right there. You know, this is about 1,767 pips right there, but that's a swing trade. But you will enter in here. Be careful when entering here. You need to have a big account and be able to hold a massive drawdown. Okay, so be careful with that if you're interested in that. Okay, so still very likely for the market to continue dropping. Okay, I was also waiting for the market to even go a little higher to this supply zone. It didn't go that high, but I would say this is an entire zone. This is huge supply zone. The price dropped, reached this area, and then continuation to the downside. So really nice area right here, nice rejection, as I mentioned, and everything replicated. So Nasdaq, US 30, S&P 500. But today I just entered on this one. So remember, we are on a downtrend now. We were coming from this big uptrend looking for buys, and now we're switching to sales. So next week, what could happen next week? The market most likely is going to be doing something. I would say at the moment where the market is positioned, market could be doing something like this. I'm sure something like that is going to happen. I don't know, when the price will maybe break to the downside. So guess what? We're going to have some type of bearish flag right here. We could have something like that. So guess what? Where are we going to be looking for an entry? Somewhere around this area. Okay, I'm just giving you a free little tip right there. If you guys are interested in my mentorship, in my course, what I'm offering, and you can just go visit my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. You will find all the information there if you're interested in learning. Okay, I'm offering my course, a mentorship, plus a signal group, a VIP signal group for life, one-time payment. Alrighty, that will be all for today, guys. If you like this type of content, please subscribe, give it a big thumbs up. It motivates me to keep posting videos every single day, guys. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.